And of course, paint removal with the robot.
Once again, we have different options of using it. Go with the spray first and then going with the robot afterwards, where you just spray it with a manual sprayer, electrical sprayer, wait the 10 to 20 minutes, and then come with the robot with slightly harder. It doesn't need to be the hardest brush you have, but to be sure that it removes everything, just slightly harder than normal bristle, and you can rinse and brush to remove all of it. Yeah. Once again, if it's a hard contamination, the soaking time is important. Leave it be. If needed, reapply it. If it dries up due to the temperature, and once you start to see that it's starting to break down the paint, it's time to go with the robot and brush and rinse it off. Okay. You can also use the robot as a sprayer, either with a spray bar in the front for the manufacturers that have it, or just inject it directly in the brush and you go through the panels using the robot as a sprayer. Wait then the 10 to 20 minutes, change to clean water and come back to brush and rinse. And those are the most common ways of using it with the robot. Especially the sprayer can be interesting because you'll be able to cover a bigger area than just with a brush. Also less battery involved because there's no brush rotating. Yep. So if you have it, it's probably the best way to use the robot. Sprayer first and then changing to the brush and rinsing it off. Yep.